Hi guys, so this is a short video on how we decontaminate our handpiece. So a handpiece, as you know, is the what we sort of commonly know as a dental drill, but in dental we call them handpieces. So this is a slow speed handpiece. It's shorter than a high speed. It has a little latch grip and it also has this sort of bend, this quadrangle. So when we're decontaminating a handpiece, we cannot submerge a handpiece in water. So that means that we cannot place it into manual cleaning. We can't use an ultrasonic bath, and on most parts we can't use a water disinfector. We are seeing handpieces come to the market that are suitable for the water disinfector, but typically the original ones weren't suitable for that. So we have to decontaminate in a slightly different way. Firstly, we need to look at the cleaning process, so we still need to remove any dirt and debris. We typically do that with a detergent wipe or a disinfectant wipe. So we just make sure that all parts of it are wiped and free from any dirt or debris. And then this would be discarded into clinical waste. Next, we need to make sure that the handpiece is oiled. The reason that we can't submerge it into water is because the workings inside the handpiece will be affected and damaged by water. And also, if we don't oil them regularly, the same things will happen. It will become damaged with overuse. So as I said previously, there are two ways that we can do it. We can use the oiling cans, or we can use an oiling machine. So I'm going to show you both ways. When we're using a can, we want to make sure that we're catching any oil or spray from the oil. So we just wrap it loosely with a lint-free towel. We take our oiling can, place it into the bottom of the handpiece and give sharp bursts of oil. The lint-free towel would be discarded into clinical waste. If we're using our oiling machine, we want to make sure that it's turned on. So we'll have a plug, you can see all the lights coming on. We have a light at power that identifies, and we also have these numbers here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what these relate to is points where we can connect our handpieces. So 1 and 2 are for high speed handpieces, and 3 and 4 are for slow speed. So to connect them, you just click up and it will connect into place. We have a lint-free towel in the bottom to catch any spray, and we also have sponges on the door to catch any residue as well. So we want to make sure that out of the 4 that we only have a light above the ones that have handpieces connected. So for us, we hit number 3, we close it over, and we hit start. Now I'm going to hit start, I'm going to warn you, it's very noisy. So, now that it has finished, we just open it up, take out our handpiece, disconnect it from the machine, close over, and place our handpiece onto a tray, spaced out fixed with other instruments, ready for the next process in the LDU, which for our handpiece is inspection with the magnifying light, and then onto the autoclave for sterilisation.